Oh, 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 if I wrote a book about where we stand, then the title of my book would be Life with Superman. That's how you make me feel. I count you as a privilege. This love is so ideal. I'm honored to be in it. I know you feel the same. I see it every day in all the things you do, in all the things you say. You are my rock, baby, you're the truth. You are my rock. I love to rock with you. You are my rock. You're everything I need. You are my rock. So baby, rock with me. I wanna kiss ya, feel ya, please you just fine. I wanna touch ya, love ya.